Hey everybody in Facebook land, this is Amanda Bridges. This is my weekly tools in my toolbox, toolkit, tool chest video my series about how I have dealt with my medical diagnosis 13 months ago. And so, sorry, I had something in my teeth, so sorry about that. So this is video number 24. I want this to help somebody else who has gotten a scary diagnosis. And y'all can all surmise what the diagnosis is, because I'm not talking about it, I'm not giving it that power. So what I have been doing is sharing what has helped me. And my dog out on the porch whining, you might hear her whining. She was number 18, I think, or whatever she was. Number 19, my dog Ruby. So I'm up to video number 24 in my series. And so this week's tool in my toolkit, toolbox, is my cute little Cutie Cow. Isn't she adorable? She is a little doll that I saw. I was in another program, and another good friend of mine, Penny, we used to kid each other about being in the cow in another program, the COW, the Cave of Wonders, and that was in another program. And so we came up with buying a little baby cow for ourselves, and I think she has one, and I got this one a couple of years ago, and my little Cutie Cow is just my little doll, and that's what I call her. She's a cutie pie. Instead of a cutie pie, she's Cutie Cow. So this is what I sleep with at night. And sorry, my dog is barking. But anyway, she is what I have slept with, and that's what I can do, and that's my choice to do that. And it helps me feel better about myself and my diagnosis. And so she is number 24, my little Cutie Cow, and she's just so adorable. And kissy face to my little Cutie Cow. So hopefully that helps somebody. That might seem kind of crazy or juvenile or childish, but whatever works. My dog is barking out on the back porch because she doesn't like that I'm in here talking to Facebook land, and I'm not petting her, so that's why the dog is outside. But she's one of my tools also. Anyway, so number 24 is my little Cutie Cow, my little doll, and she loves me and I love her. So, all right, thanks so much. So video number 24, tool number 24 is now done and complete. All right, thank you so much, everybody. Bye.